Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bitrix24's calendar and communication tools to keep your team perfectly synchronized. First, let's talk about the calendar. Open the calendar section in Bitrix24. You can create events, set meetings, and see your team's availability to avoid scheduling conflicts. To integrate with Google Calendar, click the Sync option. Choose Google Calendar and follow the steps to connect to your account. Now your Bitrix24 and Google Calendars will update each other automatically for communication. Use the built-in chat and video calls. Start a chat with any team member or create group chats for projects. For quick meetings, click the video camera icon in any chat to start a HD video call instantly. You can also schedule video meetings directly from calendar events. When you create an event, you just toggle on video conference and Bitrix24 will generate a join link for all participants. Use the workgroups feature to create dedicated spaces for projects, combining group chats, shared calendars, and task lists all in one place. And that's it. By combining the calendar and communication tools, you can keep your entire team connected and on schedule. If this streamlines your team's coordination, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.